Good morning, third grade. We are on 11:8, but I would like to go over the word problems from 11:7 on page 462. The first one says, Daniel is baking cookies. She makes 30 cookies and sets them in 6 equal rows on the baking tray. How many cookies are in each row? Draw a bar model to find your answer. And as you can see, they've drawn a bar model, remembering that there are 6 equal rows. So they made 6 boxes, and then each box had to contain a number to equal 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5 cookies in each row. Number 5 says, a diagram of Paula's bedroom is at the right. Her bedroom is in the shape of a rectangle. Write the measures for the other sides. What is the perimeter of the room? Hint, the 2 pairs of opposite sides are equal length. So they give you 17 and 12, and you had to know that if this side is 17, that side is 17. And if this side is 12, this side is 12. And 17 plus 17 plus 12 plus 12 equals 58 feet. Number 6 says Jacob has a rectangular garden with an area of 56 feet. The length of the garden is 8 feet. What is the width of the garden? Well, it has to be 8 times something equals 56. So it's 7 feet because 8 times 7 equals 56. Okay. Our test prep. Heather owns a carpet cleaning company. Her prices are based on the area of carpet. What is the price of cleaning a room with an area of 200 square feet? Well, it shows 50 feet, $15, 100 feet, $30. If you notice, they're going up by increments of 15. So 15, 30, 45, 60. Okay, on to 11:8. In 11:8, we are going to combine rectangles, and our essential question is, how can you break apart a shape to find its area? Anna's rug has side lengths of 4 feet and 9 feet. What is the area of Anna's rug? Well, we're going to break it up into 2 sections to make smaller equations. Use square tiles to model 4 times 9. Draw a rectangle on the grid paper to show your model. So 4 down here and 9 across. Draw a vertical line to break apart the model to make 2 smaller rectangles. They drew their vertical line right here. The length 9 is broken into 5 at the first one and 4 at the second one. Find the area of each of the 2 smaller rectangles. So our rectangle 1 is 4 times 5. 4 times 5, and rectangle 2 is going to be 4 times 4. And then we're going to add 20 plus 16 to get 36 square feet. Check your answer by counting the number of square feet. So you could check your answer by counting these, and it's 36 square feet. So the area of Anna's rug is 36 square feet. Let's look at the next page. Connect. Using the distributive property, you found that you could break apart a rectangle into smaller rectangles and add the area of each smaller rectangle to find the total area. Use a horizontal line. That's one way to do it. Write a multiplication equation for each rectangle. Well, the first one would be 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 times 7, and it's 21. And the next one is 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 21 plus 9 is going to be 30. Another one says use a vertical line. So they did a vertical line, which would make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3 times 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. Our second square would be 3 times 4, which would be 12. And 18 plus 12 equals 30. So add the products to find the total areas. Our first one was 21. The top one here was 21. And the bottom was 9. 21 plus 9 is 30 square units. The side one over here was 18. And the one on the right was 12. 18 plus 12 is 30 square units. Let's look at your share and show. Draw a line to break apart the shape into rectangles. Find the total area of the shape. Now, they broke it apart right here, so we're going to times 2, 1, 2, times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 times 7 is 14, so the bottom rectangle is 14. Then they times 2 times 3 for the top square, or rectangle, excuse me. 2 times 3 is 6. Then they added 14 plus 6 and got 20 square units. Let's do the next two. Use the distributive property to find the area. Show your multiplication and addition equations. Well, we could break it apart right here and have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. And then we would have 4 times 2, and 4 times 2 equals 8. 20 plus 8 is 28. The next one we could break apart 5 times 5. 5 going down, 5 across. 5 times 5 is 25, which would leave 5 going down and 4 across. 5 times 4 is 20. 25 plus 20 is 45. 45 square units. I'll let you do the on your own, and tomorrow we'll do the problem solving together. Have a good day, and please do 11-8 out of your PB page. Thank you.